I'm telling you, the colors keep getting better and better with 53 colors. It's just the bomb. It looks amazing in person. I'm not sure how your end, but my end is pretty much really good colors. All right. And it's worked all year long in the different colors. So number 7, neon orange. We just finished the first layer. Move this one on the side. Moving on, the second, the number 8 is cranberry. This is everything's for the holidays, and it's called, it's nice color for is the weathers right now. Okay, one stroke in the middle, getting closer to the cuticle but not too close, and then push just a little bit toward to the cuticles and applies on the right and going to the left. Here for 60 seconds. Now we are gonna do the number 9. So number 8, number 9, which is the metal gray. This is only 10 colors, and this is only so cool. It's kind of a light, like gray colors, like how do I was saying it? This color describe it looks so cool though. I'm trying to thinking of what it looks similar like. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Like a kind of a trendy color for a lot of house right now. That's the color. So back into number 7, neon's orange. One more layer, one more coat. And then here, each layer you are going to do here for 60 seconds. Number 8. So close number 7. 6.
You actually have number 10 too.
Yeah, I have number 10 too. And number 8. Cranberry again. I have a client that she loved this color when she go travel, especially when it cool weathers. She's love wearing this color, cranberry. And then
go ahead and start on 10.
So here's some tip and trick, okay? You will have this all the time, or most of the time. Sometime if you have this, like when you put it on the clients when you're doing applications, and then we'll have a lot of residues on the neck of the bottle. All you need to do, get a piece of paper towels and give it a really good wipe, so it's remove all of the residues here in the excess gels. Then you can put back your brush.
This
is a 9. Right, so close the 8. Clay 8 is done because I did the second coat already. So go back into the 9. Is the metal gray. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Somehow missing on the side. Okay.
Go ahead and start number 10.
Number 10 is neon green. So we have total of 53 colors. Well, if I swatch all 53, then we'll be here until midnight.
So we're just gonna do 10 color for you guys today, and then put some design on there. change it up just a bit.
This is close to the green color.
Yes, and remember these are neon, so this will shine in black light really brightly.
Looks so cool. All right, so we're gonna wait for just a second, and then we're gonna do swatch. I mean, we'll apply one more. You know, this is all these colors will be good with the glow in the dark crystal kits as well.
And there you go. 7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, and 9, and we have one. We should do 12, so that makes each of them like 12. 7, 8, and 9. Should put the name on it. Neon orange, and cranberry, and what is that? Gray metal, number 9.
Metal gray.
Metal gray. Close enough.
Close enough.
It looks so gorgeous itself though, with no designs, anything.
And your 1, 2, 6.
Maybe I should put them together.
You have room? Careful. You don't have top coat yet.
Yeah, no top coats, but it's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Maybe you should do 5 and 5.
Right? Well, anyway, here, give me that. Finish your 10.
Oh, here. Clip this one in. And you can just do simply like this and swatch it and for your clients to see. Maybe it's my pop. So beautiful. I know I'm keep on about this because it's still fascinating. Every single time I was polishing it, the colors is everything. All right, I'm gonna clear this one for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna decide what we are going to do. You let me know what you have in your mind. If you want to do some of crystal designs or some simple of like chamfer foil,